Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, dear students. Now we will learn about derivative of composite functions. Chain rule. Very important for finding derivative of some function which are composite function. Composite function means uh, just like that for golf, fog. Suppose we are given function like this sine e to the power x. This is function. This is our function fx equals to. This is composition of two functions because one function is e to the power x and another function is sin x. For finding derivative of this function, we will use chain rule, that is derivative of composite function. Here composite function how? Suppose this अंदर से देखना है. सपोज ऐसा भी हो सकता है साइन ऑफ e to the power x square. Here three functions are there. What? फर्स्ट दिख रहा है साइन, फिर e, फिर x स्क्वायर फंक्शन. सो हियर स्क्वायर फंक्शन अंदर से देखे तो पहले स्क्वायर फंक्शन, देन एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन एंड देन साइन फंक्शन. यहाँ अंदर से देखे तो पहले एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन एंड देन साइन फंक्शन. दो फंक्शन का कंपोजिशन है, यहाँ थ्री फंक्शन का कंपोजिशन है. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट दिस? सपोज हियर सपोज अंदर से लिखना है. इस फंक्शन के लिए क्या लिखना है? अंदर वाले को लिखना है u. ux इक्वल्स टू सपोज कर लेते हैं क्या, u टू द पावर x अंदर से, और इसका नाम दे देते हैं t. t इस फंक्शन है ux. अंदर से लिखना है, अंदर वाले को ux को e टू द पावर x को ux लिख दिया. एंड सेकंड फंक्शन vx लेते हैं. सेकंड फंक्शन लेंगे vx. कौन सा फंक्शन है सेकंड? साइन फंक्शन. जस्ट बाहर आगे साइन फंक्शन, साइन ऑफ x. ओके, बट हियर you have to write, because e to the power x equals to t, e to the power x equals to t, so you have to write t, because t e to the power x है तो e to the power x आ जाएगा. so and then t equals to e to the power x, vt equals to sin t, then uv continuously uv. so उल्टे ऑर्डर में लिखना है u like this, like f and g we write golf, तो उल्टा ऑर्डर में f g. so write in this style. so vo composition of x, u के सामने वाला x. so you can write v of u x, that is v of ux means what? e to the power x, e to the power x, e to the power x. okay, or vt or e to the power x. here e to the power x and v of e to the power x, v function is this, t की जगह e to the power x, sin of e to the power x. so this is composition of two function sin e to the power x. here two function and new function u, that is t and vt. so now this is fx, because fx, so So finding derivative of fx, finding derivative of fx means you have to write first here, note down x, because there are two functions, so 2 ratio will be there, dx will be here, okay, and dx will be here, and here will be v, last function v. So dv, v is function of t, so dt, और यहाँ dt. लास्ट जगह पे लिखना है dx, और ये जो लास्ट फंक्शन है उसको यहाँ लिखना है, और बीच में इन बिटवीन लिखते जाना है. सो dv by dt, dt by dx. नाउ dv by dt with respect to t, t के रेस्पेक्ट में इसका डेरिवेटिव sin थीटा, व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू, cos t. एंड dt by dx, x के रेस्पेक्ट टू डेरिवेटिव e to the power x. नाउ cos t, t की वैल्यू रिटर्न करना है, t equals to the power x. So e to the power x this into cos of e to the power x. This is the derivative of this function. So this is chain rule. Okay, here two functions are there. अंदर से लिखना है, पहला फंक्शन को e to the power x को ux लिखना है, t नाम दे देना है. ये अगर t है तो दूसरा फंक्शन हो जाएगा sin t, तो vt equals to sin t. नाउ उल्टे ऑर्डर में लिखना है u v, कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन. इसको जैसे कॉम्पोजिट करेंगे जो मिलेगा वो fx फंक्शन मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ ये फंक्शन हो गया, कॉम्पोजिशन फंक्शन हो गया, तो हियर यू हैव टू राइट d. इसका डेरिवेटिव मींस इसको लिखना है यहाँ पर, लास्ट वाले को लिखना है ऊपर, और इन बिटवीन लिखना है. हियर सिमिलर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन you can consider like this. Similarly, suppose for this function, here fx equal to this, here fx equal to this, here three functions are there. First function is अंदर से देखे तो स्क्वायर फंक्शन, so you have to write what, ux equals to x square. इसको हमने नाम दे दिया t. ओके, फिर एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, so u v w, so v t equals to vt, इसको बनाना है, एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन बनाना है, और यहां पर क्या आ जाएगा, t ux x स्क्वायर t. ओके, और इसका नाम दे देते हैं x, here is t. Now suppose this is new function s. ओके, जैसे ux को हमने t से डिनोट किया था, vt को हमने किससे डिनोट किया, s. ओके, now u v, now w, because you are making here three function, u v w. Now w is function of s. पहले a बनाया, फिर e बनाया, फिर sin function, sin of s, because this, okay, sin of s. S means e to the power t, e to the power t, e to the power t, t means x square, sin e to the power x square. Okay, so u v w you are making like this. This is equals to x square t, u v w, इसको नाम दिया s, तो w is equals to. Okay, now there are three functions. Then you can see taking composition. Composition how? U v w. So उल्टे ऑर्डर में लिखना है, u composition, v composition, w. This is composite function. और here the value of x के लिए, u के लिए x. So composition of two function, w o v ux, and this is equals to what, w of v of ux. Ux means you can also write t. This is composition of function. W of u v ux. Okay, now w of v of ux means t. That means vt equals to s. W of s. So w of s equals to sine of s. Sine of s equals to what? Sine of s के प्लस पे क्या लिखना है? e to the power t, and sine of e to the power t के प्लस पे क्या लिखना है? x square. So this is equals to this. This is the composition of these three functions. Okay, that is what fx. What? This is what fx. So you can find derivative by chain rule. How? UVW. So using formula just like that, the composition हो गया. So you can find derivative of fx, d of fx upon d of x. Here three functions are there, so three ratio will be there. First of dx and last function ws. Here dw. Now it is clear that t equal to x square. So dx means here dt. dt. And one thing is, okay, three functions are there. First, second, third. So three ratio will be there. dfx upon dx means dx को यहाँ लिखना है, लास्ट फंक्शन को पहले लिखना है डेरिवेटिव के साथ, एंड x है x t का x के रेस्पेक्ट में, सो यहाँ dt आएगा, dt आएगा तो यहाँ dt आएगा, और s का t के रेस्पेक्ट में, सो यहाँ ds आएगा, यहाँ ds आएगा. बस. Now you can solve it. Now you can find derivative. You can find derivative how? dw by ds sin का cos s. Okay, cos of s. Now into ds by dt e to the power t का e to the power t के रेस्पेक्ट में, t का x के रेस्पेक्ट में 2x. So this is our solution. 2x into e to the power t के जगह पे x square cos of s के जगह पे e to the power t means 2x e to the power x square cos of e to the power x square. सबकी वैल्यू रिटर्न कर दिया. सो क्या हो गया? 2x e to the power x cos of e to the power t means x square. This is the derivative. This is the rule of chain rule. ओके सर, फाइंडिंग डेरिवेटिव. अगर फोर फंक्शन आएगा तो इसको लास्ट में लिखना है, लास्ट वाले को पहले लिखना है, इन बिटवीन लिखते जाना है. क्लियर? दिस इज द chain rule. By using this rule, you can find the derivative of composite function. Clear? So try to solve some questions, and I will provide solution through PPT. So see very carefully and try to solve some questions, because this is very important rule, chain rule. Here we see two function के लिए देखा, three function के लिए देखा. तो how can you write the chain rule formula? And you can also direct differentiate, because suppose we are giving log sin x square. Okay, so लास्ट वाला कौन है? अंदर से पहले डेरिवेटिव अगर डायरेक्ट लिखना है, डेरिवेटिव इफ यू हैव टू राइट डायरेक्टली, देन हियर आल्सो थ्री फंक्शन इज देयर. तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन व्हाट? लॉग. तो लॉग का डेरिवेटिव सिंगल सपोज कर लेना है. लॉग का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? लॉग इसका 1/x. सो 1 अपॉन साइन एक्स स्क्वायर. ये सिंगल, सपोज सिंगल मान के डेरिवेटिव कर दिया 1 अपॉन दिस. नाउ लॉग के बाद फिर कौन आया? साइन. साइन का डेरिवेटिव करो, इसको सिंगल मान लो, कॉस. साइन का कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर. फिर अंदर कौन मिल रहा है? एक्स स्क्वायर फंक्शन, तो एक्स स्क्वायर पे करो 2x. सो दिस इज द आंसर, 2x cos x square upon sin x square. And you can write this is equals to 2x into cot x square. 2x into cot x square. You can also find direct its derivative. How? What will was the function? It is sine e to the power x square. तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज व्हाट? साइन. साइन का डेरिवेटिव सिंगल सपोज कर लो. साइन का क्या होता है? cos e to the power x square into. सेकंड क्या है? e to the power x. इसको सिंगल मान लो. e to the power x का e to the power x square होता है. और x square का क्या होता है? 2x होता है. सो ये वैल्यू और ये वैल्यू सेम है. You can find direct also value. So further we will use direct derivative of this type of function. But what is chain rule? This is the chain rule. So try to solve some question through chain rule and also try to find derivatives directly. This will help for solving questions. Okay, see carefully. I will provide solution through PPT. Okay.
Question 6 of 5 by 2 exercise. Take question 6 of exercise 5 by 2. Differentiate the function with respect to x, cos x cube dot sine square x to the power 5. It's the composition of 2-3 functions here. Okay. So let us try to find its solution. Okay, let y equals to this. Then here product of two function, so u equals to cos x cube and v equals to sine square x to the power 5. That means y equals to uv. Okay, product of two function. We have to use the derivative of product of two function formula for finding derivative with respect to x. So y dash uv dash means derivative, dash means derivative, okay, dy dx with respect to x. The formula is this: u dash v plus v dash u. So we have to find u cos x cube dash v sin square x to the power 5 dash and uv are this. So finally we put the value. So finding u dash. Okay, here u equals to cos x cube. So differentiating with respect to x, we can get u dash cos x cube dash cos x cube dash. Differentiate u dash. Here also will be dash. Okay. So first of all, cos, derivative of cos means minus sine x cube and x cube dash. Again differentiate x cube. Okay, directly we are using composite function. So minus sine x cube dash means 3x to the power 3 minus 1, 3x square. So minus 3x square sine x cube is the derivative of u dash. Okay, now finding v dash. V equals to sine square x to the power 5, that is sine x to the power 5 whole square. Okay, now differentiating v dash sine x to the power 5 square dash. First of all, square function. So 2 sine x to the power 5 power 2 minus 1 dot sine x to the power 5 dash. Here 2 sine x to the power 5 and again differentiating sine x to the power 5. First function is sine cos, sine का derivative cos x to the power 5 and again x to the power 5 dash. So 2 of this 5x to the power 5 minus 1, that is 2 this 10x to the power 4 sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5. This is the derivative of v dash. Now we have u dash v dash. So let us put all the values u dash v dash u in y dash like this. Okay, just we have to put all the values here. Now collect this and reduce, just like 10 x to the power 4 sin to the power 5, sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5 cos x to the power 3 minus 3x square sine x to the power 3 sine square x to the power 5. This is the derivative of a given function, that is y dash means y is this, so derivative of this function is this. Okay, just we are using product rule for derivative and differentiating partwise by using chain rule directly. Okay, so this was the solution of question 6 of exercise 5.2. Now question 7 of exercise 5.2, differentiate the function with respect to x to root cot x square. Okay, here is the composite function, so let us try to find solution. Let y equals to this, then we need to find derivative with respect to x, so differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This now 2 is constant, so 2 can be take out of the square root. Now differentiation of this is root over function, so root function means 1 by 2 root 2, so differentiate it 1 upon 2 root cot x square, and cot x square again differentiation, and then 2 cancel 1 upon root, and cot का minus cosec square x square dot again x square का derivative, so 2x, so minus 2x cosec square x square upon root of cot x square. Okay, let us simplify it. cosec square means sin square डिनोमिनेटर में, cot means cos by sin, so स्क्वायर है, दो बना लेते इसको, दिस इंटू दिस, एक को अंदर किए रूट के तो स्क्वायर होकर जाएगा, so let us take inside the root sin square, sin 1 sin cancel, so only sin and cos स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर. ना 2 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करके sin 2 थीटा के फॉर्मूला में एडजस्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, 2 by 2, सो 2 रूट 2 ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, माइनस 2 रूट 2 sin x this 2 sin. Okay, just like this, minus 2 root 2 x sin x square root of this is sin of 2 x square, sin of 2 x square, as sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Right. This is final derivative of the given function with respect to x. Okay, so we are applying the differentiation by chain rule directly. Okay, so this was the solution of question 7 of exercise 5.2. Question 9 of exercise 5.2, prove that the function f given by f is mod x minus 1 x belongs to R is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Means this is not differentiable. Here modulus function. So let us find solution of this question. Here modulus function given fx equal to mod x minus 1, its domain is completely real number, but x equal to 1 पे ये डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है. So first of all we have to break its mod by using modulus definition modulus function, because this is equals to same thing if this same thing is greater than equal 0, and negative of this if this thing is less than 0. That's why like this. So x is greater than equal 1 means first value x minus 1, x is greater than equal 1, and second value minus x minus 1 if x less than 1. So 1 का लेफ्ट साइड भी बन गया, राइट साइड भी बन गया. क्लियर है ना? डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी चेक करना है तो लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव एंड राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव वी हैव टू फाइंड, एंड देन इफ दे आर इक्वल देन डिफरेंशिएबल और नॉट, और इफ नॉट then not differentiable. So this is the breaking of modulus. Now fx is differentiable at x equal to 1 if left hand derivative and right hand derivative equal. Left hand, for left hand of 1 we have to use this value, for right hand we have to use this value. Okay, so let us find left hand derivative. Left hand derivative, you know, definition, limit x tending to 0 fx minus f x minus h upon h. Okay, this is also okay. You can write this here and this here. In that case, here will be minus sign. It is also right. Okay, no, this is left hand derivative. So this is equals to limit x tending to 0. X means by definition of the function left hand side of 1. So here 1 minus h. Now f1 means 1 minus 1 modulus 0, 1 minus 1 by definition of function breaking function 1 minus 1, and by breaking function on left, this is left side, 1 minus h means some value is deducted from 1, that is left side of 1. So for by definition of the function less than 1 means minus x minus 1, so minus bracket में x minus 1, x means 1 minus h. Now solve it. 0 minus minus plus 1 minus h minus 1, 1 cancel, minus h minus 1. So here minus h by h, that is minus h by h, that is minus 1, that is limit minus 1, that is left hand derivative exists and equals to minus 1. Now right hand derivative. Right hand derivative, you know, plus sign is there, fx plus h minus fx upon h. So let us find x means at the point 1, so 1 plus h 1, this is right side of 1. So that's why we are using the value first value x plus 1. Okay, or this is f1 means 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and this is x minus 1 first value. Okay, so now solve it. H minus 0 is 1, limit will be 1, that is right hand derivative also exists and equals to 1. Now but both are not equal, since left hand limit and not equal right hand limit, therefore function is not differentiable at x equals to 1. Okay, so in such type of questions you have to first breaking mod, and then as the given case you have to find right hand derivative, left hand derivative. If they are equal then differentiable, not equal then not differentiable. So this is not difference. This was the proof of these questions, question 9 of exercise 5.2. okay, hence proved. Question 10 of exercise 5.2. Prove that the greatest integer function defined by fx equal to this, x lies between 0 to 3, is not differentiable at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So let us solve it. Solution. First of all, we discuss about greatest integer function, this. Okay. Value of greatest integer function means what? Value of the greatest integer means this gives x is real number, this gives greatest integer less than or equal, just less than or equal x. If x is integer, then this will be integer. But if x is real number, then just less than or equal integer means this is real number, just less than integer 1, 0, minus 1, but just less than this number, that is this, our greatest integer. So 1.1 then 1, 1.99 then also 1, 2.001 then 2, 2 then 2, okay, 2.9 then 2, 3.003. This is the finding values of, how can you find the value of the greatest integer function. Now in general we see, if 1 is integer, then a greatest integer value 1. Okay, 1 plus h means some greater value of than 1, then its value will be 1, because just this is very small quantity, not equal to some integer. This is very small quantity. So 1 plus something. So just less than integer will be 1. Just less than and greatest will be 1. So 1 minus h 1 से less है तो 1 से less integer means 0 और greater भी है. So this is 1. That is 0, sorry 0. 1 minus h के केस में 0 आएगा. 2 then 2 2 plus h then 2 2 minus h then 1. This is the technique for finding the value of this for some increment to the value. Okay, so this was the greatest definition of greatest integer function. Now we are taking given function fx, greatest integer function. Okay, for x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 we have to check for differentiability. So for at x equal to 1 let us find left hand derivative and right hand derivative. Here fx is differentiable at x equal to 1 if left hand derivative equal right hand derivative. Okay, so let us check for both x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Now at x equal to 1 left hand derivative, okay, we have to find left hand derivative. You know the definition is this. Okay, so at 1, so x equal to 1, so you have to put x equal to 1. Okay, now f1 means f1 means put the value f1 and f1 minus h means it will give the value 0. It will give according to definition of greatest integer function it will give 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0 by h 1 by h limit h tending to 0 1 by h, that is not defined because h denominator में है tending to 0 1 by 0 not defined. So left hand derivative is not defined in case x equal to 1 and right hand derivative also. This is the definition of right hand derivative. Put the value of x1 just like this. Now put the value of function 1 plus h, its value will be 1. Okay, or its value 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1, this is the value 1. Okay, just like this. So 1 minus 1 means 0 by h means 0, means limit 0. So right hand derivative exists but left hand derivative does not exist. Okay, so thus we see that what left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. So fx is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay, now hence proved first part and second part for x equal to 2. Also left hand derivative, find left hand derivative formula. In place of x just put 2. So value of the function 2 2 minus h means 1 आएगा greatest integer function से. Okay, this 1, so here will be 1. So 2 minus 1 1 by h, this is also 1 by h, this is also not defined. Left hand derivative not defined. Okay, now right hand derivative also you have to find right hand derivative. Put the value 2, then 2 plus h means gives the value 2 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 2 0 0 by h, that is 0, the limit 0, that is what right hand derivative exists 0 but left hand derivative does not exist. So we see that what left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative, therefore function is not differentiable. So this is our proof. Okay, now x equal to 1 के लिए differentiable नहीं है, 2 के लिए भी differentiable नहीं है greatest integer function. Okay, so that was the solution of question 10 of exercise 5.2. Okay, hence proved.